How to change your account's location, country, or region on Roblox. Now, in order to do that, you don't have a straight up clear way to do that from the Roblox app. To do this, you need to open your browser and search for Roblox support. Then open help.roblox.com from here, and then you need to search for location in this page. After searching location, this account location under account settings option will appear. Tap into that and then scroll down until you see this option of how do I change my account location, and then you will see this blue option of need more help, contact support here. Tap to that option and then this page will appear where you just simply need to fill out your account information such as username, name, email address. Then you need to provide the problem's details, which includes device tab and help category. Into the help category, you just simply need to select the option of support. And after tapping in the support, you need to select the subcategory of support, which is specific problem of experience. Simply select that, and then into this describe the problem you have section, you just simply need to describe why do you have a wrong region or country, or why you would like to change that, and tap to continue and submit this to the Roblox support, and they will get back to you as soon as they can to fix your issue. I hope this video was helpful to you. If yes, don't forget to hit that subscribe button.